Hey folks, welcome to my new series, This Day in History, where we will deep dive into history and get to know various interesting facts and events which happen on this day. 30th July 1898, Otto von Bismarck, who as a Prime Minister of Prussia 1862 to 73, 1873 to 90, used ruthlessness and moderation to unify Germany, founding the German Empire in 1871 and serving as its first Chancellor in 1871 and serving as its first Chancellor 87 to 90, died this day in 1898. On this day, 30th July 1965, U.S. President Lyndon B. Johnson signed amendments to the Social Securities Act 1935 that established Medicare and Medicaid. On this day in 1956, the phrase, "In God We Trust," legally became the national motto of the United States. On 30th July 1945, the USS Indianapolis was sunk by a Japanese submarine shortly after delivering the internal components of atomic bombs that were later dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Some 900 men died, many of whom succumbed to shock attacks, dehydration, and salt poisoning as they awaited rescue. On 30th July 1930, Uruguay defeated Argentina to win the first World Cup in football. On this day in 1921, insulin was first isolated as pancreatic extract by the Canadian scientists Sir Frederick G. Banting and Charles H. Best. On this day in 1863, American industrialist and automobile manufacturer Henry Ford, who revolutionized factory production with his assembly line method, was born. That's it, friends. That's all we have for today. We'll catch up tomorrow morning again at the same time, at the same place. Till then, please do take care of yourself and be safe.